Welcome back to Spore and Sprout. In this video, I just wanted to show you my observation when I went out foraging today looking for shrimp of the woods and found exactly what I was looking for. I'm fascinated by shrimp of the woods because it is the result of a parasitic relationship between two mushrooms. And it's really cool because we can see the whole story unfolding right here in this one spot. This is the parasitic mushroom Entoloma arbovatum, which parasitizes the young honey mushroom, and then it aborts itself, creating shrimp of the woods. And you can see this giant cluster of honey mushrooms right here. It's also interesting because the honey mushroom is parasitic toward trees, so the parasite is getting parasitized. I kept walking back in this area and it was just literally thousands of honey mushrooms. I haven't seen that many before. So that was pretty cool. So I grabbed a handful of the shrimp of the woods that was still firm and not too mushy, and I'm going to bring them back to the house and cook them up and give them a taste test. So these mushrooms are really hard to clean because like dirt can get in the crevices. So I just use like a paper towel to wipe them, a wet paper towel and then a dry paper towel to kind of just flick all the dirt off as best as I could. You don't want to really soak them in water because they will become mushy. So I just kind of wiped them off and threw them in the pan, and then with nothing but some spices, and then I just kind of squeeze out all the moisture, and then I add a little bit of butter. I really like how they kind of shrunk into these little nuggets, and just like check out that golden caramelization, and the smell is just amazing. Alright, we got the shrimp of the woods cooked up, and it smelled really good while it was cooking, and it looks really good. So let's give it a shot. Yeah, that's pretty good. So the texture is really similar to shrimp, but I haven't had shrimp in like over 5 years. But I remember that's the same texture. It doesn't taste like shrimp. It tastes better than shrimp in my opinion. This is delicious. There's a couple. All right, let's try it again. Yeah, that's delicious. There might be like a couple specks of dirt still in there because it's just really hard to clean these, because you can't really soak them or anything because it'll become soggy, but this is delicious. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. That is so good. I can't even compare it to lion's mane or anything. Like, oh my gosh. It doesn't even taste like a mushroom. Like, it was smelling like a mushroom when I was harvesting them, but this just tastes amazing. It's like exactly like shrimp. Like a crunchy texture like shrimp. And it's like really satisfying. I do not like shrimp. I didn't like shrimp. I've been vegetarian for like 5 or 6 years. I never liked it, but this is actually delicious.
Oh my gosh. It's like luxurious. It's so good. I'm gonna have to go back out there and find some more. I could literally just, this would be like really good on a bed of rice or with some noodles or something. So yeah, I found the spot and I'm gonna go back there every year because this is insane. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. All right. This is really good. So that's my review of Shrimp of the Woods. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you in the next one.